If you're a veteran or active duty service member, the VA home loan is one of the most powerful home buying tools out there. But most people don't understand it or how powerful it really is and how to use it correctly. In this video, I'll break down how to qualify, how to use your benefit, and why VA loans are outperforming the competition in 2025. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm Matthew Parra, a mortgage broker based here in Dallas-Fort Worth. I've helped a ton of veterans across Texas navigate using their VA home loan with confidence. So let's talk about putting your VA benefits to work for you. First, let's talk about who's even eligible to use your VA loan. It would be veterans, active duty, certain National Guard and reservists, and surviving spouses. You'll typically need at least 90 days of active wartime or 191 days during peacetime. If you meet that, you've earned it. Here's some quick wins for using your VA loan. No down payment, no private mortgage insurance, very competitive interest rates, and no loan limits in 2025 if you have full eligibility. And if you don't know what full eligibility means or how you calculate that, reach out to me directly and I'll be able to look that up for you, how much eligibility you have left. This is not just any other loan. This is a serious financial advantage. Typically, to qualify, lenders are looking at two things, your income and your debt. But on VA loans, lenders are looking at something as well called your residual income. There's no income requirement set, but you do need to meet this VA standard of the VA's residual income. Really, this just means you need to have enough money left over after all your expenses. One of the biggest myths out there is that you can only use your VA loan once. Not true at all. I don't know where this started or how it came across or how this is so widely accepted. It is simply not true. I've seen veterans use their VA home loan 2, 3, 4, even like 6 times is the most I've seen, which there's no cap on it. So why stop there, right? As long as you have enough eligibility, you can buy as many as you want. I've even seen veterans use their VA loan to start their investment portfolio. So you do have to have your VA loan as your primary residence. But let's just say you buy one home with your VA loan and you live in it for a couple of years, you outgrow it and you want to buy a new home, right? But as we talked about, VA loans have great interest rates. So you want to keep that interest rate on your first home. You can buy a second home as long as you have enough eligibility left. So now you have 2 VA loans, used 0 down on both, and now you have an investment property to help you build generational wealth. So myth busted, you can definitely use your VA home loan more than once. Let's talk about one of the biggest stigmas out there, VA appraisals. They get one of the baddest raps out there, but let's really look at the numbers and debunk this myth. A study of over 5,600 transactions over 12 months proved that over 50% of VA appraisals actually came in over value. That's right. I know it's crazy because a lot of people think your VA loan, when the appraiser goes out there, your home will be undervalued. Numbers prove it's simply not true. It's 50.4% of appraisals in this 12-month period using your VA loan came in over value. And so you're asking me, okay, Matthew, what percent came in under? Well, here's the numbers on that. Only 1.8% of appraisals done during this time came in under value, which was the least of the big 3 loans, VA, conventional, and FHA. But what are the numbers to prove it? So, like we said, 1.8% of VA appraisals came in low, 2.3% of FHA appraisals came in low, and 3.8% of conventional loans came in low. That's right. So the VA loan had the least amount of appraisals come in under value, especially compared to FHA and conventional, which conventional is allegedly supposed to be considered the gold standard. So not only are VA loans and VA appraisals reliable, they're actually outperforming FHA and conventional loans. That's a stat worth repeating. Here's the deal. The VA loan exists to give you an edge, and it does. You have earned all of these benefits. 0 down, no PMI, competitive interest rates. And if you have over 10% disability rating, you don't have to pay the VA funding fee. And even better, if you're 100% disability rating in Texas, you don't have to pay property taxes. So not having to pay property taxes lowers your total out of pocket and it lowers your monthly payment. So while these other loans are having you put money down have skin in the game, you already have skin in the game. You have more than earned the benefit to use this loan. Another phenomenal perk, which I'll make another video on, is that the VA refinance, second to none. It is so easy. No income docs, no appraisal, and you close these in 2 weeks. It's called an interest rate reduction refinance loan. I have to count it out on my fingers every single time, but you can just call it a VA streamline. The benefits don't stop when you're using your VA loan. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or trying to upgrade your space, the VA loan, if it's an option for you, is going to be the best option on the table. And too many people don't take advantage of this loan program simply because they've been misinformed. If you're a veteran or an agent working with one, I would love to help. I work with VA clients every week, and I'll walk you through to show you exactly what's possible. Text VA loan to my number, 817-403-0671, for a free VA loan consultation, or schedule a time to talk in the description below. You can also DM me on Instagram anytime at Matthew Mortgage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your service.